soon I'm coming up to my favorite chocolate store. Take a look. Here we are. Remember this one from my first video in visiting Bruges? And I see the owner way back there in the store. There he is. I don't know if you remember me.
Yes,
Yes?
I recognize you. How are you, sir?
Good, and you?
You had a long conversation.
Yes, we had a very long conversation. Yeah. So I come and pick up some of the good chocolate that you have.
Please, you're welcome. Here you have the different sizes of our chocolates.
Well, I remember last time I only bought white one because that's the
only white ones. Huh?
Yeah, the white ones.
But you have to decide what amount you want. Here you have the different sizes. From 250, 350 to 1 kilo, whatever.
Oh. Can I have some loose ones like the last time?
Definitely.
Okay. There you see it, guys. All the good stuff.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, some sign of summer here. It's nice out, the sun is out, no wind. Look at here, the beach. And there are even people on the beach. Look at that. And the sea is really calm, no waves at all, look at that. Wow. Okay, let's take a walk and see what else there is to see. Wow, huge falls, holy. Even the patios are open. Probably expensive trees as well, look at that. Even the kids are already playing in the water there, see. It's still too cold to swim, but all the apartment buildings on the boardwalk there. It's a really nice day today, you know, sunny out, no wind. That's very, very unusual to find a non-windy day here. Holy, it's really a joy walking here today. Okay, let's see what else there is to see. Funny bicycles, look at this.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
modern statue. Weird. There you go. This is the backside of the castle. It's all surrounded by water. This is a huge bush, flowers. Holy. Look at how big it is. Big one. You can walk into it even. Look at that. Holy. That's a nice one. Holy crap. Nice flowers. This flower is as tall as me, look at that. 1 meter and 86 centimeters. There we go. And that's a nice tree there behind it too. Holy, an old one. Whoa. I have to show you this one, guys. This is funny, actually. Look. See, this is a tree. Big, huge tree. Big, big, big. And apparently it cracked apart because it was old already. See, there is the bottom of the tree. And here it is. And the funny part is, they put a sign with the tree that says fallen tree. We can see that too. Funny. There you go, guys. That was the Midnight Express to Istanbul. Just kidding.